syempre parang nakikita ka namin on TV, on screen, and syempre as artista, perfect na perfect. Pero in reality, mahirap din yung life mo. Oo, yung workload mo, nakakapagod. So how do you manage to juggle everything na ginagawa mo?
Pero po sa lahat, magandang gabi po, Miss Patty. Pwede pa magkonti lang po ng konti lang. Last March 1, I celebrated my 13th anniversary in the business. Kung natatandaan niyo po, I was 14 years old when I won in a singing talent search called Star for a Night and got discovered by my manager, Mr. Victor Rosario. 13 years of being in the business has been fun at napaka-challenging. Very challenging po. Tulad po ng kahit na anong trabaho, nandiyan po lagi ang hirap, pagod, stress, pressure na makadeliver po tayo ng maayos. Which is why Sangobion Iron Plus has become my #1 iron supplement para po lagi tayong active at healthy. Talagang makakapagbigay tayo ng inspirasyon sa mga tao na lagi tayong energized.
Yeah, I think kasi lalo na pinapanood ka, especially the young women, they see, parang hindi siya napapagod. Kunyari, concert after concert, may teleserye, may movie, diba? I mean, a lot of people look up to you. So, I think it's nice to say na, hindi, kahit si Sarah G, napapagod, kailangan ng tulong din.
Oo, kailangan.
Oo, so ano yung na-feel mo, especially since, Sangobion, they chose you to be part of the family. What was the feeling na, now you're part of the family of Sangobion?
Alam niyo po, sobrang mo akong nagpapasalamat for all the projects that I have been entrusted with, including itong Sangobion, my partnership with Sangobion. Maraming salamat po. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my Sangobion family for the trust. Maraming salamat po. Lalo pa ako na-inspire Lalo ako na-inspire to live a healthy lifestyle. Eat healthy daw. Try to eat healthy. Magkaroon lang ng balanced diet. At syempre mag-exercise. Ayun.
Yeah, and I think parang when people see you're healthy and happy, di ba parang gagaya na rin sila. Kasi they're your idol. Okay, now I think we have some questions from our friends. But
maayos ba sila? Baka feeling nila, baka nagsiself-pity sila or whatever, kailangan always i-check po tayo sa mga ganung bagay. Pagdating naman sa, sa parents, family, wow! Sa kabataan, we should know our priorities. Unang-unang sa lahat, sa ating mga kabataan, i-prioritize natin, una si Lord and then family natin. And then, pag naging adult na tayo, darating na yung pagkakataon na may magiging, may ibang tao na magiging parte ng buhay natin. Darating yung pagkakataon na ikakasal na rin tayo. So, isa-set, wow! So, we should know our priorities, di ba? Bago yun, syempre studies muna. So, importante na makadeliver tayo ng maayos sa school. So, health, studies, and then, parents. Yan po.
Yung priorities in life, at this stage in your life, what are your priorities?
Yun na nga po. Natumbok nyo. At this stage of my life, ang priorities ko po, ganun din po. Unang-una yung relationship ko sa Diyos at sa pamilya ko. At dahil adult na nga po ako, mag-30 na po ako, yun po yun para tayo ay matuto. Ang importante po ay nakakaroon tayo, binibigyan tayo ng lakas ng mga magulang natin na tumayo muli, no? At makabangon, matuto sa ating mga pagkakamali. So, yun po.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Sarah G. And of course, our